Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with prediction of 21st May 2022 Ielts exam. Well guys, for the most part 21st May exam is academic only, right? But you guys watch my videos all over the world, so it can be GT as well in some parts of the world also. But anyways, I'm going to make this prediction for mainly academic. GT candidates can also watch it. Okay guys, as far as this test is concerned, overall test is going to be moderate, right? I'll tell you what do I mean by moderate. I'll explain each and everything according to my prediction. It's likely to be moderate, right? There are chances that the test is going to be moderate. It will not be very difficult, but a moderate level test. Let's take a start with listening. Now again, I tell you, my prediction is more like a guideline. What to focus, how to prepare, how to practice and all that. So you should follow this very carefully. As far as listening is concerned, as per my prediction, chances are that in part 1 you're going to get one word only, and it's going to be a very simple dialogue where information will be exchanged and you can easily find the answer. You should practice from Cambridge Ielts books 7 to 16. For 21st May test, focus Cambridge Ielts books 7 to 16, and for part 1 you should practice from books 10 to book number 16, right? By the way, for listening part 1, my videos are readily available. You can always watch them. I've covered every inch of Ielts, so you can watch my videos on listening part 1. Part 2. In listening part 2, 3 types of questions are extremely important. Number 1, multiple choice questions, single or double. What do I mean by single or double? Single multiple choice questions, where out of 3 you select one option. Double multiple choice questions, where out of 5 you select 2 options. So for part 2, multiple choice questions are important. After that, there can be a map. It's been long since they gave any map, but map is still the part of Ielts listening part 2. So there can be any map on 21st May 2022 exam. Along with the map, if there isn't any map, then there can be some, it can be map and matching type of questions or multiple choice and matching type of questions. As far as part 3 is concerned, Ielts listening part 3 is notorious for multiple choice questions. There will be multiple choice questions in part 3. Questions like 21 to 26 or 21 to 25, they're going to be multiple choice questions, and along with multiple choice questions, again they give matching type of questions. And luckily, I have done a lot of work on multiple choice questions and Ielts listening part 3. So you can just search, or on this channel you can go to playlists, and there you will find full test solved by me. That will help you a lot. Part 4 is for one word only, but let me give you a brief warning. If the test is old or the test was made before, then part 4 can be multiple choice as well. Right, because some of my students, they informed me after the test that they had multiple choice questions in part 4. So be ready for anything. Even if there is any slight change in Ielts listening, don't worry at all. It's going to be the same test, right? The pattern is going to be same. So part 4, as per my prediction, it's going to be one word only. It's going to be a part of a lecture. Audio can be fluent. Now some students misunderstand the fluency as speed. Speed is something else. It's not that the audio is going to be 1.25 or 1.15, not at all. It's going to be normal, but it's going to be fluent. So for part 4, I have uploaded some wonderful videos where I solve all the questions and I give wonderful tips, what to focus. Synonyms are involved in part 4, so you should watch them as well, right? That will help you. Now, after this, let's go on to reading. I'm making this detailed video so that you guys find, 2 things I'm covering. One, I'm giving you my prediction. Second, I'm giving you guideline how to prepare. Well, guys, for reading, as far as reading is concerned, I would advise you to mainly pay attention to Cambridge Ielts academic books 11 to 16. And then you can go back books, 7 to 10 academic tests only, right? That's going to be good. Okay, as far as reading is concerned, overall reading is going to be moderate, but one passage with a couple of types of questions can be hard for many students. You know, reading is always difficult for many students because they don't read, they don't comprehend what they read, right? So it can be a little hard for them. But anyways, overall it's going to be moderate. Part 1 will have two type of questions. I'm using will have, okay, I'm not so sure. It's just my guess, right? Part 1 may contain two type of questions. The first one is true, false, not given, and completion. Now this completion type of questions can be with one word only, no more than 2 words, no more than 3 words, and all that. And by the way, these two questions are class A or type A questions. I have categorized IELTS reading questions into two categories: type A, where questions and answers are in order; type B, where questions and answers are not in order. So multiple choice, so true, false, not given, and sentence completion. They are type A questions where questions and answers are in order. So try your level best to do part 1 in 10 to 15 minutes. IELTS reading part 1, because questions and answers are in order. Try to do it in 10 to 15 minutes so that you have more time for more complex passages, and these passages are the second and the third passage. As far as part 2 is concerned, on 21st May 2022 in IELTS exam, part 2 may contain which paragraph contains the following information. Along with that, there can be some completion type of questions and multiple choice questions. So again, you need to pay attention. I have solved Cambridge IELTS books 7 to book 16. So you can just find those things in the playlist of my channel, and that's going to help you. Now, let's go on. As far as part 3 is concerned, part 3 is mainly for matching type of questions where you have to match scientists with the statements, number 1. Then there can be some completion type of questions as well, along with yes, no, not given. So yes, no, not given, they are type A questions. Questions and answers are in order. Completion type of questions are type A questions. And one more thing, there may be some list of headings as well in any part of IELTS reading. So pay some attention to that list of headings. Which paragraph contains the following information? They are type B questions. They are not type A questions, right? So like this, the reading will go on. It's going to be overall moderate. Some parts can be difficult. Maybe second passage can be a little more complex than the other ones, right? As it happens sometimes. Now, let's talk about writing. As far as writing is concerned, let's talk about essay writing. The way I look at this exam on 21st, as per my prediction, it is going to be a discussion essay, because usually in academic exams, they give either opinion essay or discussion essay. In general training exam, they give double question essay, problem solution, advantages, disadvantages mainly, because the academic guys, they have to give their opinion as they study abroad. They have to discuss certain things as they study abroad, right? So discussion essay and opinion essay, these two essay types are most important for 21st May exam. My videos are readily available. Follow my videos, and in my videos on essay writing, I've given a complete plan. How to write first paragraph, how many sentences, what are those sentences, how to write second paragraph, body paragraph, how many sentences, what are those sentences, how to improve your bench score. So you can go to the playlist either, or you can search my videos, Asad Yaqub, advantages, disadvantages essay, Asad Yaqub, opinion essay, Asad Yaqub, discussion essay, and you will find these videos. As far as task 1 is concerned, in the last few exams, they mainly focused graphic information. So this time, most important thing is graphic information. When we talk about graphic information, we've got either graph with a trend or a comparative graph. So it's going to be graph with a trend or comparative graph, but there is some room for process diagram or maps as well, because there are 4 types: a graph with a trend, comparative graph, process diagram, and maps. And my videos have covered all 4 things, right? You can go to the playlist, or otherwise you can just search by name and you will find these videos. So prepare very well. One more thing, for this I would recommend IELTS Advantage Writing Skills. Now don't ask me for this book, please. You can buy it online or you can search it somewhere, but the title is IELTS Advantage Writing Skills for academic candidates, for essay writing and for report writing. I highly recommend this book, IELTS Advantage Writing Skills. You can just find it, you can buy it. So all the best, guys. And for speaking, already you know where to prepare from, so I don't need to tell you about that, but please pay attention. And again, I would tell you, for 21st May exam, Cambridge IELTS books 7 to 16 are going to be good, but if you find some more time, then you can practice from Cambridge Official Guide to IELTS. Otherwise, book 7 to 16, they are more than enough. I make a request on 21st May when you appear in your IELTS exam, you come out of your examination hall, please type a detailed message. In that message, you need to share listening, part 1, 2, 3, 4 type of questions, nature of audio, was the test easy or difficult, same with reading, writing, and do let me know about speaking as well. I truly wish you guys all the best. May you get more than your desired band. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.